What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Today is 15th July 2025, Tuesday, local time 11:44 p.m. now. This is Eastern time, and I will be analyzing SPY. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist, all right, and I'm a price action trader. I do not trade indicators. If you're listening to me for the very first time, I have to make sure that you understand this part. And yeah, these indicators are there for a reason. Because I need to understand the mentality, the psychology of other traders. That's it. Indicators are always lagging. Okay, I'm gonna hide this, and then we'll discuss the price action first, and then the momentum part, and then we'll discuss the sector as well. Okay, so SPY. So these are all different EMAs. Okay, the golden yellowish line is EMA 200. Now, well, I'm not discussing the indicators part right now. Let's understand the price action. So, what is happening here is if SPY take a fall from here, okay, if it does fall from here, this is absolute trash. Okay, absolute trash. This is a very poor level which was tested, and I said it's going to do 628. It hardly touched, but it couldn't sustain there. Okay, this is absolute trash. I'm not saying it's going to fall, and I'm not touching SPY. As you can see, for almost 2 months, I'm not touching SPY. It gave the entry 2 3 months ago here, right here, okay, from this demand zone. After that, it's not giving proper entries, and there is a lot of noise on the charts. Why? Because a lot of people are trading this. Okay, a lot of retail activities here. That's why there is no clear footprint of institutions. Now, if you look here, if it does fall from here, okay, the best, okay, the best level would be here, 565. I'm not saying it's going to fall. I'm just talking about price action. Okay, the best level as per whatever we have here is right here. Okay, it does not mean it's going to fall. Okay, now let me turn on the drawings. Okay, there is a level here, and you understand that price don't fall. It won't fall just like that. See, two things can happen. I'm not touching SPY. Two things can happen. First of all, SPY, this is a bull run, right? Now retracement is due. You need to respect and understand that part as well. Target one, okay, daily time frame, it everything goes well, you will hit 638, 639, and then higher time frame targets are around 654. Okay, so SPY will hit 654 for sure. Okay, but the whole point here is, do you understand logically, people, is this healthy for the market? Is this healthy for the market? This is not healthy because price is just going up and down. It's not retracing properly. It's just going up, and if you look here, price is just going up and up and up. It is doing higher highs, higher lows, yes, but not in a very healthy way. Retracement should be proper. When it is, when price retraces, it should retrace properly, not like this or this. This is, you can call this somehow a good better retracement, but this is poor. And now people who have bought here, they will somehow try to get out from these positions now where price is sitting right now. So people who have bought at 490, 493, they are very much green in their portfolio. They will try to exit. So you can see a retracement. I'm not saying it's gonna fall again. Okay, the whole point here is, it is forming higher highs, higher lows. This is the basic stuff I'm discussing. Now understand, if it does fall from here, poor levels, poor levels. This is not quality. Even if price touches and goes up, I don't care. I'm not trading SPY at all. Okay, this is not a great level. There are so many opportunities in other stocks. Okay, and which I am trading and making money, but this is not something which I am, confident to trade. So even if it comes here and goes up, I don't care. I know how it will go up. Okay. Now, how it, I don't know exactly, but I can understand what it is trying to do. Okay. Nobody knows, uh, other than the market itself. But the data is suggesting on daily time frame that these levels are super weak. Okay. And if you go on weekly time frame, There is, you understand this, there was a consolidation from the week of May 12th till June 16th, almost a month consolidation, and then you, after that, you do see a green candle, rally candle, green candle. Now this is not one of the greatest level, because when we go on daily time frame, we do see it's all, confusion here, no clear cut levels. Okay, market is confused here, and even here it is confused. But when I go here on weekly time frame, I do see that there is a weekly level, a good level, which is actually coinciding with your higher time frame. That's it. Now, this is price action. All right. This is price action. And right now, I'm telling you the best, even if it goes to 550 and it comes back, best. Because when it will come here, definitely there would be a lot of panic. I'm telling you, mark the date, July 15th. Again, I'm going to show it to you, July 15th. Okay. I'm not saying it's going to fall. In future, also, if it goes up, better for us, because the moment it will take a fall, here everybody will panic and news will be bad. You will make, definitely you will make money here. Okay, and this is a bull run and we need a good retracement. Even if you look here, look how price is going. Let me hide this. Look how price is going up. It shouldn't be like this, no. But there are some levels, footprints, which I can see here, here. This is very poor. So this is price action. Okay, now let's talk about the momentum part. Let's start from monthly. So it is doing, creating a bullish momentum, okay, which is very healthy for the market. And people who know RSI, or people who don't even know RSI, I'll give you a touch what RSI does. RSI is the best momentum indicator out there, but people don't actually know how to use it. Okay, but understand this, that whenever market is showing momentum, okay, whenever market is showing momentum on higher time frame, this is, we are talking about monthly, so it's not going to happen overnight. But if you do see market doing 650s, don't be surprised. Okay, don't get surprised that, okay, how did it do it, and even though it was sitting at all time high, then also it started doing, started going up. Don't worry about that. That's not something you are supposed to worry about. The whole thing here is, we do see charts are forming bullish momentum, okay, and the targets are around 650 plus even from here. But I'm not able to find a, I'm able to find a proper entry around 550, 565 ish. But other than that, I don't trust indicators at all. These are lagging, but RSI is the best indicator out there. So RSI, the range that you see here is 80-40. I'm discussing the momentum part now. 80-40. Okay, and 80-40 is, this is actually happening, this bull run is actually happening from here, if you do understand, as per RSI. Okay, now look at the bottom, April 2020. It takes time. Okay, now the whole thing here is, it is in the bull run. This is your bull range. 80-40 is your bull range. RSI on monthly time frame, look here, it comes down, touches 40, goes up, touches 80, comes down, doesn't wants to go down below 40, because this is your bull range. And for 4 years, market is actually in the bull run, believe it or not. Okay, this is what a retracement should look like. This is a retracement. Okay, there is no retracement here yet. Understand this. You can call this one, this was red candle, but it actually hits our monthly demand zone and started going up. And right now price is all time high. Okay, you need to understand this, that this is your bull run. Retracement needs to come, so that new people can enter the market. Okay, now this is bullish momentum right here, and it's telling us very clearly it needs to do 655, 654. Okay, this is monthly time frame. I'm going to switch the time frame on weekly now. And on weekly, you do see price after hitting, look here, price will not just fall like that. Look here, this is called bear divergence. Okay, when RSI is making lower high and price is doing higher high right here, right? But even a bear divergence is actually bullish, by the way. People who don't know how it works, the name is, the bearish name is attached to it, but it is actually bullish for that run. I'm not going to confuse you more, but this is how it works. So this, whenever you do see a bear divergence, it is actually telling you that price needs to retrace. So if you say you have 100 stocks of stock X, okay, now whenever you do see a bear divergence, okay, you need to book 50% of your positions. That's how RSI works. So, and if there's a bear divergence, there was a bear divergence here, so you need to book 50% positions here. That's it. Out of 100 stocks, book 50. Simple as that. Now bear divergence is actually, it actually happens in uptrend, and it is a way to give you a re-entry into that trend. Okay, so bear divergence happened here. Then look here, price started going up again it did a high, but look here, again there is a bear divergence. So if I do draw a line, okay, one divergence was here, the second divergence, look at the top as well, second divergence is here, right? So what happens here is bear divergence, whenever you do see, price won't fall just like that. So it gives you time. This is weekly time frame. So bear divergence happened here, came down, started going up, it did a proper bear divergence here. And bear divergence happens in uptrend, but back to back, look here, back to back bear divergences. Let me show you here, back to back bear divergences, and that too. So the second divergence is lower than the first one. Okay, it is only telling you that, yeah, slowly and steadily market is losing momentum. Okay, it won't fall just like that. Now here, look here, on weekly time frame, price actually after this bear divergence, it goes into downtrend. It has shifted the range. Okay, it has shifted the range, but again, even if there was so much momentum when it went down, because see, indicators work on the basis of closing prices, right? But here it has hit our monthly demand zone, which is our primary source of information, which we need to work on. Okay, it hits here, and this downtrend, because this has shifted the range from 80-40, it went down below what, 30 range, right? 26. It is not oversold. Below 30 is not oversold. Okay, please don't follow YouTube. I'm telling you that below 30 is not oversold. Below, above 70 is not overbought. Okay, I'm using 80-20 rule. Understand that. Now it comes here, weekly time frame, monthly. I've explained you the RSI part. It comes here and it started going up. Okay, and now if you will look at, see, if there is momentum, then price and RSI should move in the same direction. That is what is happening. There is momentum, and from bear range again here, with this candle, look at the top. It has, RSI has told us I am in the bull range. I have shifted from bear range to bull range. This is range shift. Okay, I'm telling you people, and see, this was your bear divergence, right? And it was actually broken by RSI and price right here. So this is a confirmation that, okay, this downtrend line has been breached, and not only breached, we do see a closing of the indicator and the price as well. This is technical analysis, like this is technical analysis at its very best. Okay, I'm telling you what I do see, but I'm not trading SPY. I'm telling you very clearly, I'm trading Tesla, I'm trading Apple, I'm trading FedEx, I'm trading, what else, I don't even know now. Okay, but I'm only, my only concern is, okay, a retracement can come, and then if there is a retracement in the market, overall stocks will also suffer. That's it, but it doesn't mean price is going to, super duper lows. No, this is your bull run. 80-40 is your bull range. Okay, 80-40 is your bull range, and this time this has broken this momentum, the downtrend as well. Okay, and now it is going up. So what happens here is, this point right here, this is a top. Okay, and this top is actually coinciding with your very poor demand zone. So every top that is broken can act as a support as per basic price action. You need to understand what are the traders thinking. Okay, this is how technical analysis works. So I didn't want to confuse you, that is why I was not posting videos about SPY, but now I'm getting a lot of messages, so I have to. So now, okay, don't short, don't go long. in SPY right now, because market will can slowly go up, okay, or can slowly come down. If you do decide a range, okay, if you do decide a range, you can play options. You know how to if you know how to do your strategies, how to build your strategies in sideways market or sideways to up market, then you can, okay. But if you don't know, don't touch it. It can go up, don't be surprised, but my stocks are bullish, okay. Stocks a lot, my lots of stocks are bullish, so that's why I'm still okay with it. But if it comes down, I know what to do. But I'm not touching SPY at all. If I go now, I will switch the time frame from weekly to daily. So on weekly there is no momentum, only range shift, that okay, from bear range RSI has gone into bull range, that's it. But on monthly time frame, it is in the bull range since 2020, but then also you do see retracements, and you need to have a retracement like this or like this. This is healthy for the market, okay. Now monthly charts are telling that RSI is in the bull range, and also showing momentum, okay. Weekly charts are showing bear range has been, RSI has shifted from bear to bull range. 60 and above is bull range, and then it has also broken this downtrend line, okay. Now on daily, if you look what is happening on daily, it is again and again forming momentum here, bullish momentum. And the targets as per daily, which I said 628, and then this is 638. So it is forming momentum, back to back momentum, okay. But now if it does fall from here, this this is not quality at all. I want, if it falls, I want it to come here, 563. That's it. I don't like all this. This is bull, like this is not a bull range. Like this is not a bullish thing. This is crap. So I want it to come down here. Simple as that. If not, let it do its thing. Please do not disturb the movement of the market by, people, some people, they want to get a validation from me. I don't care about it. Do whatever you want to do. All I want to tell you is, if you don't understand the whole thing, like, I'm not confident about the move that market is trying to do, why will I enter? I need to make money, right? I don't want to prove a point here. But if it comes down here, yeah, I will have better rewards, let's put it like that. But on daily, I do see momentum right here, 593, and then this is the best, 565. There is a lot of momentum here, 565 for sure, okay. And then you will see a rally like this only, what you saw here, most likely. And this is your bull run. Forget about anything else. This is your bull run. Market is not going to fall, take a free fall. Don't worry about it. And see, Apple can go up, right? There's a lot of momentum in Apple. I don't care about the news. Nvidia can come down. Microsoft is actually, it is accumulating. So there is room for stocks to go up. There's no problem in that. Now, look here. Told you there's momentum here, 595, and there's a lot of momentum here around 560. But we have our demand here as well, a very good demand, okay. And that weekly, it's on weekly time frame, and this part will also be supported by your monthly time frame. This is your bull run. Now let's show you something else. This line is from your weekly time frame, okay. This is the line that I was explaining you like 2 minutes ago. Now look here, when it did took a fall from here, okay. It's it's very interesting as well. It was doing whatever it wanted to do. It was doing all kinds of bear divergences as well, okay. Look here, it was doing bear divergences as well. But the most important ones were happening on daily, weekly time frame, okay, which we have already marked, okay. So the fall, if a fall has to happen, it shouldn't happen just like that. Market is fully prepared, they prepare the market, and then there is a fall, and weak holders needs to get out. Even I want the weak holders to get out, because weak holders are actually creating a chaos here. This is not how market moves. Now everybody has an access that they can trade with a click, right? And that is actually creating a lot of chaos here. We need to work well in our professions. Now everybody's trying to enter here, and that is why this is a chaos. Simple as that. But anyways, the best price action is right here. Okay, not the best of the best, but If we compare it to this data, yeah, a very good price action is right here. Plus we have momentum, plus indicators are telling us that it needs to go up. And one more thing I've explained in last Tesla's analysis, that whenever you see these are EMA 20, 50, 100, 200, whenever they go like this, whenever they go together like this, okay, after hitting a higher time frame demand zone, you would see a move like this. And this is nothing, at least 20 to 30% move from here, wherever they are, strangling together. Okay, so that is why you do see a rally like this. Not an issue. Now price is all time high. Be very very careful. Whenever price goes all time high, we start trailing. That's it. But I'm not touching SPY. As I told you, yeah, I will trade here. So now this is the sector. Okay, and sector is also, if you, the S5 INFT is a sector for tech sector, and tech sector has the heaviest weightage in S&P 500 and SPY. Now it is also doing the same thing, and it is also showing us that okay, it is doing a positive momentum right here. And then on daily also, if you do see, there are some levels here, which how with SPY, let's come back to SPY now, how these levels would work. Poor levels can also work when it will come and coincide with the sectorial demand or sectorial price action, or all of the stocks, like all the heavy tech stocks, top 10 stocks of S&P, or top 20 stocks of S&P, they're coming together, and they are coinciding with this demand, which is very poor. Then this poor demands will also work, simple as that. I know we are into almost 22 minutes, okay, but it is what it is, right? I've not uploaded anything for almost 2 weeks, but again, this is an in-depth analysis of SPY. Uh, Plus, we are also discussing momentum and RSI. This is RSI at its very best. Go and backtest as many times as you want, okay? And you will understand whatever I've been telling. Bear divergences always comes in uptrend, and they are telling you that trend is up. The bear divergence will tell you that there is a retracement that can come. If it happens, you will get a re-entry. If it doesn't happen, it will go up. You cannot help, because market will not work as per your emotions. And bull divergences actually come in downtrend. Bull divergence is actually telling you that this trend can continue further down. Okay, bull divergence is not bullish, and bear divergences are not bearish. Okay, please understand that part. Now I've tried my best to explain you price action and indicators. It's totally your call. If you want to trade, I will tell you, my suggestion would be not to trade, but it is totally up to you. I'm not touching SPY, but yes, I am trading Tesla. I will be trading, and there is no, like, whenever I trade something, I always have a backup plan. I don't trade just like that. Tesla, I'm trading. Apple, I am trading, and I'm being very very transparent and open about it. If it catches my stop, only thing is to get out, take the stop loss and get out. Simple as that. We don't fight the market. All right. If you did like the analysis, make sure you follow me here. My name is the Chartist, and that's pretty much it, guys. Have a wonderful night. Trade safely. And we have news, I think, tomorrow. I don't follow news, by the way. Okay, but a lot of people were texting me right here and on X as well, that there is news. So just be very careful. Market would be volatile, but don't be surprised to see if market goes up. If it goes down, the best levels I've explained you right here. All right. Have a wonderful night. We'll see you tomorrow. Most likely, I will discuss Tesla's price action as well. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.